Okay, just go for it?
Yeah, just go for it.
Yeah. We've been sitting here for hours, and all we do is talk about old things that are broken and how we'll make them work. We've got high expectations of what we think we're worth, but it doesn't really matter if we end up in the dirt, singing who will save our souls, our souls. No one knows, no one knows. And if tomorrow ever comes, we will find someone, find someone. And we've got all of the solutions to fix this broken world, but we sit around in circles, feeling sorry for ourselves, wishing we would find the courage to stand up for what we know, and then to batten down the hatches, praying to be left alone, crying who will save our souls, our souls. No one knows, no one knows. And if tomorrow ever comes, we will find someone, find someone. We only know what we hide. We keep it dark, we keep it out of sight. And if the dust settles in our eyes, then we have a reason to cry. Then we have a reason to cry. Cry out, who will save our souls, our souls? No one knows, no one knows. And if tomorrow ever comes, we will find someone, find someone. We will find someone, find someone. We will find someone, find someone.
Well done. Fantastic.
All right.